AI website builders offer rapid and user-friendly website creation, but what if that convenience comes at a cost? Spoiler, it does. Let's expose the trade-offs hiding behind the hype. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece, but you're stuck inside a grid of pre-made boxes. AI builders force-feed you templates, claiming they're customizable, until you realize you can't escape their cookie-cutter designs, restricting you from achieving a unique website appearance. AI-generated content sounds smart, until you realize it's just regurgitating the same robotic jargon every other AI site uses. Your About Us page, bland, your product descriptions, soulless, and your audience, already scrolling away. AI website builders fail to prioritize search engine optimization. Slow load times, clunky mobile layouts, and metadata you can't tweak. Your site's doomed to page 2 obscurity, the digital equivalent of a ghost town. Once you commit to an AI builder, escaping's like breaking out of Alcatraz. Your content, your design, your entire site trapped. Want to switch platforms in the future? Good luck starting from scratch. AI can't crack a joke, tell a story, or keep visitors hooked. Why? Because it's never stayed up at night brainstorming. It's never felt pride in a client's success. Without human emotions and creativity, your site's just a robot's homework. While AI website builders are praised for their speed and ease of use, users everywhere are hitting the same walls. Customization limitations, restrictive design options stifle creativity, making it nearly impossible to craft a unique website. SEO limitations. Some users have found it challenging to optimize their sites for search engines. The verdict: AI builders work until they don't. So, what's your move? Skip the algorithms. CatchyDesign builds sites that rank and deliver. Subscribe for more.